Oh, I can't even be like, hey everybody. Um, I got a package from Craft Outlet, which, while I open it, let me tell you the story of this package. I needed some stuff from Craft Outlet, so I was like, alright, I'm gonna order some stuff, and they were closed, because I think the pattern is that they close on Friday, or they close on like Thursday afternoon, or Thursday evening, they close, and then they open back up after they've gotten all the orders shipped. So I went to go order and they were closed. So I was like, all right. So I started adding stuff to my wish list. And then when they opened back up, they were only open for 12 hours and I missed it because I was like, oh, well, I was going to do something. And I was like, I'll do it when I come back home. And by the time I got back home, they were closed again. And then they didn't open up until Tuesday. They didn't open up again until like the next Tuesday. What is all? I don't even know what this is. It's been so long. So I ordered Tuesday. It said it was going to take a week, but they shipped on Wednesday. I had a delivery date of Thursday. So Thursday comes and I kind of hang around outside because I don't want packages sitting on my porch. Thursday comes and goes, and then they update the shipping, say it's going to be Friday. I'm like, all right, well, Friday makes sense. Friday comes and goes, then it updates and says Saturday. So I'm like, okay, well, that makes sense. Saturday comes and goes, nothing. So I finally get somebody on the phone, and they're just like, oh, well, we don't know where it's at. It's on a vehicle. And I was like, well, that doesn't help me. Like, is it on a vehicle on the way to my house? Because that's what the tracking kept saying. I was like, is it, like, you gotta help me out a little bit. So I called again this morning, and somebody was finally like, "Oh no, it's on its way. It's on a." He said it's on a vehicle, and I was like, "I don't care that it's on a vehicle. I need the vehicle to leave wherever it's at and be on its way to me. So to deliver today. It's Mother's Day. It's here. Let's get into it." But absolutely not Craft Outlet's fault. They shipped incredible, like just they had it out the next day. So this is my biggest order. And I really don't know what's in here, so we'll see. This is, first of all, this sign, y'all. That is a sign. What is it? What is it? Merry Christmas sign. This sign was $4.95, and I mean it's thick. It's got like this denim-y blue. I think that's what it's called. Like, yeah, denim blue. And to go with that, that's what I kind of wanted to do this time. Like, show you guys what I got and what's going with it. And I want to definitely move this box because every time I edit one of these videos, I hear this. And I never know what it is, but it's me. It's my shirt rubbing back and forth. So I'm going to move this to, oh my god. Where's my mama when I need her? Oh. Here's a Christmas sign. Of course, these lights are like wreaking havoc with everything. I got these to go with it. Which I think these were, I mean, they're super nice, but I think they were more than something I would usually spend, mostly because I could have easily made that. My desk is a mess over there. Let's see. Well, they were no, they were $2.97. That's not, this is, one of these was $2.97. Sometimes I feel like, oh no, I could have made this, but for $3, I couldn't have made it for $3. In materials, yes, but not in time. Okay, so that's that. Here's a sign that says Happy Halloween. That's cute. And this one's $3.95. Yeah. This one says Welcome my pretties. Can you see that with the orange? It's got purple on it. This one is 12-inch tin sign vintage Merry Christmas, $3.95. And this one's 10. That's cute. I don't know what makes it vintage, but I guess because it's kind of distressed a little bit. This one is the one I am most excited about for reasons I do not even understand myself. Welcome, y'all. It's got a crawfish on it. That one was $5.50. Why was that one expensive? And it goes with this ribbon, which I'm going to pull out right here just because it's right there. Crawfish ribbon. I have no idea. Oh, $3.75. Before I get to all the ribbon in the mesh, I got these two because I thought these were so cute. I thought they would be bigger, but what are these? Spooky Halloween pick. These were $2.50. So these for $2.50, and it's gonna go with this sign, I think, because I have like a not really vintage, but like a rustic Halloween. These look like wax. They're cool. But I definitely should have ordered more than two. That's why I don't like shopping online sometimes, because I never know like what the size something's going to be. Alright, and should we do ribbons and then mesh, probably? This is... I don't know. What is this? This is 1.5 chenille edge horizontal stripe. You can see it's got a fuzzy edge. This is $4.13. I think most of these ribbons were reduced or on clearance or something. This is... This is another 1.5. So it is stitched edge orange and black. $4. This is diagonal check orange and black, $4.95. This is also $4.95. One of them's diagonal stripe and one of them's diagonal check. So I guess that's check. This is stripe, or this is printed no. I don't know. $4.95 something. And this one is barber pole diagonal stripe, black and beige, but it's like burlap, or black and burlap. Maybe that's what it says. Okay. And then this is stuff I got for what should be a very interesting Christmas wreath. Let me see those. $2.85, $2.25, $3.71, $5.95. Wow, $5.95. Okay. And $3.25. These are all going on the same wreath, so that should be interesting. or ridiculous. I think I'm going to pair it with like black and white stripe or something like that. Now we get to the good. There are 10 rolls of mesh in here, maybe? These are both the same. And I've had these on my wish list for so long. $6.50 each. I think those are the most expensive ones. Poly Jute Deco Mesh, orange and wide. Stripe, $6.75. Okay, well I guess this was the most expensive one. That looks really nice. This should be brown and natural, I think. Brown and natural, $4.25. Oh wait, are there two of these too? Oh no, this is brown and natural metallic, $5.75. There were a couple that I ordered doubles on because they're completely out of this, just natural by itself. So this is just black, like value mesh. Where is it? Metallic black, $3.95. Is that it? Metallic black? Maybe. $3.95 for that. Okay. This is black and orange and metallic chocolate and copper. I think that's that. Is that? Yeah, that's brown. This is another Halloween mesh. Black, orange, purple, horizontal, $4.25. Which way are the stripes running? Did they consider this horizontal? Oh well. Let's see. I have a gold. One of them's brown gold. This is all of these are $3.95. Brown gold. The metallic black is $3.95. Metallic brown and gold. I don't know what that is. This is burgundy and natural. This is for the crawfish wreath because I thought that kind of went. Cream and gold. Moss green. Moss apple, $3.95. I think I've used that in another wreath and I really liked it. And then this is what is this? I'm like petting it. Metallic champagne Verlet mesh, $5.50. Okay. So that's all of it, I think. It doesn't look like a... How many did I say? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4, and no, 8 and 6 is 12. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Yeah, I'm not worried about like them getting the order right because it's always right. It's just I don't know what that natural and brown. That's this one. Well, I'll play around and see. I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but at least I have something to keep me occupied until like next week or the week after that. or 2 weeks. I think I'm going to do my Christmas wreath first because I have a crazy idea. And we'll see what happens. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Again, check out craftoutlet.com. They're on and off with their availability. It'll say at the top if it's enabled or disabled. If it's disabled, wait until like Monday afternoon, Tuesday, somewhere up in there. Like, it's usually around like 11 on Monday or Tuesday, and then like you have until Friday morning maybe to get an order in. And yeah, they ship super quick. Let me not say that. They get the product out the door super quick. It comes to me super quick because they're like an hour and a half away, but you know, it's going to depend on where you're at in the country. So, yeah. Oh, I'm so glad this came, y'all. I was so stressed out. I'm still a little stressed out. It's right here in front of me. So, alright. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later on. Bye-bye.